Welcome to my YouTube channel. Karon mamalit taog mananaw ta para so mga galamit sa tumbalay no sa Barbie Norman man yung sudla no bidding furniture. So let's go. So ang daming mga chairs na pang benta. Ayan, ready for pang Christmas shopping. So up to spawn. Speaker guys. Ano kayo? Pang regalo natin. So speaker. Wireless speaker sa mga gustong magregalo dyan.
So, ihatag pala ni Mark. Mahal pala yun kasi ganito pa ito kalaki eh.
198.
It's a JBL.
Unboxing ay JBL Bluetooth speaker. So okay, you open it now.
My husband's Christmas
Early
present.
Christmas presents for my husband. So okay, you're gonna open your Christmas present
You're
now.
very kind, love.
Yes, okay.
Okay, thank you.
What you got there?
I got a JBL speaker,
Okay.
$15 one, and now I got an upgrade. Look out, love. I can hear my music.
Okay. So what you got inside?
It's all the stuff to run it. There's a box. Important. Booklet, how to use it all. Go online, Google it, open it up, and look at that. It's very special.
You say something.
Oh, it's very nice. Can't have to put it on charge so we can hear it. It's cool, isn't it? Oh, the numbers are there. Look, you press all the things here. A Bluetooth. There's the Bluetooth one. Switch it on. Charge it.
So
Just
what?
Put it on charge, love.
Charge. So you need to charge it
Yes,
first.
so then we can hear
So
it.
you compare the cheap one and that one.
No comparison.
Why?
Rotten apple and a Fuji apple.
Fuji apple.
Yeah,
And the dog Foxy.
yeah, dog foxy.
Okay.
It's going. I don't know what's happening.
What? You check that one?
You're charging.
From the ice? No.
Hello guys, to this video packing ta para send sa atong box, balikbayan box sa atong mga mahal sa kanapay sa Pilipinas. So, okay, come on, samahan niyo ko. Balikbayan ka box guys. LBC, we like to move it. Natin, mag-unpacking tayo. Ang dami naman ito. Time for packing guys. Never mind the background, okay? So let's go. So nice wallet and handbag, and mga paper para sa mga student para sa online class. And pen. Slim exercise para help and guys. So, malapit na ito, no? Okay, going to the Philippines. So, yan guys. Ipapasok pa natin yan. Tingnan niya.
Hello guys, it's time to pack na. So, namin akong pagka-QC, no? Shipment for Japan tomorrow. Shipment for Japan. shipment is going to Japan. Never mind the background, guys.
So, yan guys. Natapos na yung isang box. So, handle with care. So, no cash inside. So, yan. Morals and regulations. And marami pa rin tayong mga stocks na hindi pa na babalot.
Say the words, see I'm a mommy, I heard this love is like a dream. So join me in this bed, I'm in, push up on me and sweat. So I'm gonna put that time in. Welcome to the morning, sing jump in that water, be free, come stop at the border.
What's that?
Ay, be free, come stop at the border. Damn good, eh? Better. Yep. Yeah, buddy, right? Jump in that water, be free, come
I found a love
That is.
for me.